Yeah, Skipper and her ideas. It's like, I gotta flip these boats over. She's like, why don't you build a hoist? Why don't you build a hoist? Why don't you build a hoist? All right, well, what should I use for line? I'll just use some of those old Sunfish sheets. Already got clips on them. Okay, I'll do that. I'm gonna take like fingertip control to get it down, or could do it the jarhead way, or I've got to muscle it everywhere. So there, the bow's down. We'll get it evened up in a minute. There, that seems even. We get the stern down. Now this cradle, the idea came from Laser Performance. The articulating bunks, so it'll match up with the hull shape when it comes down, or if the boat's flipped over right side up, it matches up with the deck. And we've used it on many a boat so far. And now it's Wave's turn again. Even though she seemed to be on it just earlier this spring. So here's the little Sunfish hardware that comes in handy. So you just start easing it down. This old sheet runs up to one of the Wilcox and Crittenden blocks back under the boat. And there's the snap shackle over there. So let's see how it comes down. Oh, a little off center. Pretty sprees. And now she's ready to roll back into the carriage house. Start swapping out some parts. Gonna be in there with Phoenix. She didn't get beat up quite as bad, but she took one for the team also. And here's Wave's bow piece. We're gonna graft that back in. So. There she is, folks, ready to go.